Axie Endlessness is a low-positioned coin with the ticker Axie that truly has a genuinely present worth of $6.04 and a market capitalization of $855,827,504 in every practical sense, significant way. Digital currencies explicitly have genuinely lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which sort of is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that for the most part is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in a genuinely significant manner. Some truly huge speculation banks even most certainly gain Axie vastness and really other digital currencies altogether to essentially safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors, or so they thought. Presently, now is the right time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul expectation of the improvements on the Axie market that certainly depend on the readings of our genuinely remarkable crypto unpredictability record that truly assists us with measuring the market feeling and really expect where in which the market plans to go in an unobtrusive manner explicitly. At this point, the cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly is $6.04, while the coin presently fundamentally ends up at 51st spot in every way that really matters by and large positioning, which truly is genuinely critical. The said genuinely positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's fundamentally present value that sort of is increased by its kind of current market capitalization, an equation that really is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most pertinent information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an every way that really matters, significant way. It's likewise critical to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, showing how it's additionally vital to essentially consider the authentic information that permits shaping an appropriate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On November 5, the cost of Axie limitlessness generally was at $5.59 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change most certainly added up to 6.69% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on October 30, Axie essentially was esteemed at $5.63, which for the most part intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has truly vacillated by 0%, or so they sort of thought. A month prior, on October 6, the market member laid out the cost of Axie boundlessness at $4.51. Consequently, the coin explicitly has taken a 33.81% action to arrive at its current standings, or so they explicitly thought. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Axie endlessness isn't the main really factor that we most certainly consider while making the cost forecast, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. It's likewise critical to by and large keep a genuinely sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to especially have an unmistakable perspective on where the market is going in an especially significant manner. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys sort of equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in a kind of large manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology for the most part is utilized to decide the general position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a significant way without a doubt. Changes in market capitalization most certainly sure or essentially negative are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could fundamentally be going, as well as the resource's kind of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both most certainly short and sort of long-haul viewpoints in a kind of significant manner. This in every practical sense, specific measurement essentially is likewise used to check the predominance of Axie limitlessness, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a quite huge manner. To in a real sense decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of Axie, we basically duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will explicitly be by and large made sense of later by the extremely present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, so changes in market capitalization all things considered. Positive or for the most part negative for the most part are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both genuinely short and essentially long-haul viewpoints, which truly is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Axie vastness basically remains at $855,827,504, which shapes the reason for its present positioning that sort of was referenced before in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on November 5th, Axie basically had a market capitalization of $792,478.55, exhibiting that currently, now is the ideal time to in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the Axie market that depend on the readings of our truly one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with checking the market opinion and fundamentally expect where in which the market plans to go in a for the most part significant manner, as a matter of fact. Keep going week. On October 30th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to truly was recorded at $796,008,520. Showing how digital currencies especially have lengthy past a reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a genuinely large way. A month prior, on October 6th, the market worth of Axie boundlessness was surveyed to be $637,427,812, so the basically thought. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which is very huge. These digital currencies can truly be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, showing how Axie limitlessness generally is a low-positioned coin with the ticker Axie that especially has a truly present worth of $6.04 and a market capitalization of $855,827,504 in a huge manner. This genuinely metric additionally calculates the coins that especially have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the very complete stockpile of Axie limitlessness really is laid out at 270,000,000 Axies in a significant manner. Finally, the flowing stockpile is utilized to really compute the market capitalization and survey the coins extremely current remaining in the positions in an unobtrusive way. It signifies the general measure of Axies that by and large is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly for the most part put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unpretentious manner. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million fundamentally are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they basically are generally genuinely liable to especially see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, or so they thought. At this point, Axie boundlessness by and large has a coursing supply of 141,787,897 coins, which especially is genuinely huge. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Axies arrived at the place of $82,244,257 in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on November 5th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame for the most part remained at $39,815,620 win, which truly